Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is December the 8th, 2020, and we are going to speak on XRP, give you all a heads up as to what the trap has in store in terms of where he's going to move the market, so we can get in position right before he takes the price there so we can profit. It's that easy and it's just that simple. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe. It's just that easy. If you all appreciate our content, because we're here to give you something that you can actually utilize without being FOMO'd in or even FUD out of the cryptocurrency space. Because you guys haven't realized it yet, the trap, he's the one that moves the market. That's the criminal, that's the crook. He's out trying to search and find out those who do not understand where the market is going. But we understand what he's trying to do. So join us. You can also join us on our other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, even on the gram, our own website as well, HueFinancial.com. Join us. So now, here we are. It's been about 3 days since we did our last video in the XRP, and we expected nothing. We just simply waited, stayed out the market to see what else did the trap have in store in relation to what he wants to do. December the 5th was the last time we did our video. And as you can tell, the market really didn't do a lot. You know, we're still seeing the market trade in between our restriction area of 65 cents all the way back down to our support area of 55. Okay. Now, on that video, we talked about how 60 cent was important for XRP to go higher in price. So you all can see right now, we're not trading above 60 cents. Now, we got 11 hours and 50 minutes. So the market can still close above 60 cents. If we see that occur today, then yeah, the market strength is definitely entering the space for XRP. If we don't, we understand that the market is going to continue its movement to the downside. It's just that easy. So let's see if we see anything different in terms of which one is winning out, the strength or the weakness. So real quick, looking at the market in XRP on the 2-day time frame, you can see here that yeah, there's not a lot of distinguishing between the strength and the weakness right now in the 2-day time frame. We're not seeing a lot of it. Now, one thing I am pinpointing, I'm seeing is that we need to see the price close above an area around 62 cents, 60 cents, because this is where the market, you guys can see how conjoined and compact the market is, opening and closing here. This is where a lot of the business is getting hung up at. He's not able to break that price right now above 60 to 62 cents. 3-day time frame. Let's take a look at this. And here on the 3-day time frame, we had a fantastic movement or spread higher on the last completed 3-day time frame, but we're seeing the weakness coming through now. And another thing I want to show you real quick on the 3-day time frame. Look at this. The market is making lower highs, which simply means the market is losing steam. That's it. Okay. Where we're not seeing the market making higher highs, it simply means that the interest of higher price is waning. It's being reduced. And we're noticing that into the market for XRP. And not only that, a lot of these 3-day price bars definitely look weak while it's been trading around 55 and 65 cents. The only positive 3-day price bar we see is the one that was just completed recently on December the 5th. That's it. This market overall, I would say starting on this particular 3-day price bar, November 23rd, is still indicating to us weakness. Now on the 5-day time frame, you guys can see that we're still showing signs of sellers entering the market around 55 to 65 cents. Again, we're not seeing any strength in the market just yet for XRP. Not on the 5-day time frame neither. So let's take a look at the market real quick on the weekly real quick. Still got 5 days and 12 hours, so I'm not really too dependent on the 5-day time frame just yet. But the last 2 completed weekly price bars definitely instills that sellers are here. So if you don't get anything out of this video, get this, that sellers are here in the market around 55 to 65 cents, which is why it's going to be real imperative for us to continually see this market inch higher in price. I.e., that's why I want to emphasize to you 60 cents. Okay, 60 to 62 cents is the vital area that we need to see strength. And the last 3 days, the 5th and the 6th, we did see strength, or at least the instance to where the trap wanted to go higher, but he still got hung up around 62 cents. So the expectation on this particular video is going to be the same. We're still looking for the market in XRP to give us some weakness. You guys can still see I got 55 cents as support. That's going to be the near-term area that we're going to expect the market to try to come in and hold around 55 cents. But 50 cents is definitely in play too, especially if we get a major bout of weakness entering the market. So keep that in play, especially on a longer time frame, i.e. I would say the 3-day to 5-day time frame. We can definitely see that market in XRP try to come and dip his toes around that 50 cent area. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick, then I'll let you all go because I know that time is more valuable. And we're going to continue to play some weakness on this particular forecast in the market for XRP. We're going to try to TP the market out around 55 cents. And again, my main focus is going to be around 60 to 62 cents. If I see that strength come in around that particular area, then I know my forecast is not going to be right. Okay, so we're going to play that. I want to lower it down just a tad. And we're going to play this weakness into the market in XRP. Like I told you, TP is going to be around 55 cents in or around that area. And ultimately, we can see the market come all the way down to 50, which is about 15%. But that's a long-term purview. So we still have some other hurdles that we have to cross before we even consider that one. All right. So this is our expectations, our prediction into the market for XRP. Definitely want to give y'all the opportunity to tell us what you see. Give me your thoughts. What do you expect the trap to do? Where will he move the market in XRP in the next 3 days? Tell us. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.